Cranes have a wide variety of territorial displays and signs of aggression to indicate their mood. What Walnut's doing right now, it looks like she's preening or fixing her feathers, but it's actually displaced aggression, so it's actually a sign of aggression and territoriality.
So she's pretty unhappy that I'm here talking to you right now?
Yeah, she's probably angry and jealous. My name is Chris Crow. I'm an animal keeper with the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute here in Front Royal, Virginia. This is Walnut, a white-naped crane, a very endangered species. There's only 5,000 in the wild. I've known Walnut for 15 years. We both arrived here the same year. She was hand-raised by people at another zoo, so she imprinted or socially bonded on people instead of cranes. So she was sent here because she didn't get along with other cranes. And in order for her to breed, we'd have to do artificial insemination. Cranes have been around for millions of years. Sandhill cranes have been around for at least 6 million years. And they're very intelligent, demonstrative, and beautiful species. The reason they're declining is because of us, because of our behavior. We're destroying their habitat, we're shooting them, we're poaching them. Their situation is entirely man-made, so I think the solution needs to be man-made as well. So we're breeding these endangered birds in captivity to build up their population and as a safeguard in case the wild population continues to decline. Normally we have to catch them for artificial insemination, which is a little stressful and a little dangerous. And because I take care of her every day and because she's imprinted on people, she views me as her mate. She would actually dance and do a lot of the courtship displays cranes do with each other. She would do it towards me, and I would try to imitate it with flapping my arms as wings and dancing around. And the main thing that she really liked that helped us bond was me helping her build a nest. Normally the male and female cranes would do it together, but I would bring her nesting material and she would actually purr, kind of make a purring noise. And when mating season came along, she actually opened her wings and solicited me to mate with her. So the idea formed that instead of catching her for the artificial insemination, I could try and do it with her just standing there willingly. Walnut has had 7 chicks. At least 2 of them have gone on to pair with other cranes and breed naturally and have chicks of their own. What we do is when she has fertile eggs, we slip them into another crane pair's nest, so they end up being raised by a pair of cranes instead of people. There have been others. It's strictly for the survival of the species. There's others in her situation that are hand-raised and imprinted, and they bonded with me because I take care of them. They can't see each other, so they don't know. I have called them each by the wrong name at one point or another. But they don't know. I've heard every joke you can imagine, most of them 2 or 3 times. Some people appreciate it and recognize the science and the conservation value behind it, but in general it's just a goofy story that hopefully will get people's attention towards the plight of these animals.